Algebra 2, 29.3, I'm going to do numbers 3 and 4 because they're both fairly similar. Number 3, a box contains 7 large red marbles, 5 large yellow marbles, 3 small red marbles, and 5 small yellow marbles. If a marble is drawn at random, what is the probability that it is yellow, given that it is one of the large marbles? At the end, here when they say given that it's one of the large marbles, that means we only really have to look for the large marbles. So if we go back to the beginning, there's large. So we've got 7 red that are large. 5 large. Okay, we have 5 yellow. The rest of them, 3 small, 5 small. We don't even need those because, again, we already know, based on this last part, that we're only dealing with those large marbles. Now, the probability that they're asking about is what is the chances of getting the yellow? Well, now we know there's 5 yellow out of 7 plus 5 is 12 total. So our probability is just 5 12ths, that's it. You would try to reduce 5 12ths, but you can't. So your probability is 5 12ths that you're going to get that yellow large marble. Excuse me. Now number 4 is a similar idea, but now we're dealing with socks. Mr. Flanders' sock drawer contains black and white socks in both short and long sizes. Out of the 14 pairs of black socks, we have black that we're starting with. 9 are short and the rest are long. Out of the 10 pairs of white socks, 4 are short and the rest are long. Mr. Flanders reaches into the drawer, feels around to find a short pair of socks, and grabs a pair. So this is kind of like that given part. So we're saying here, what we're saying here now is that we know definitely that we have a short pair of socks, which means we don't need to deal with the longer socks. What is the probability that the pair of socks he chooses is white? Bell. Pair of socks he chooses is white. So we know that we're looking for the short pair of socks, and we have to find how many of those short pairs of socks are white. So let's just look for the short. And if we go back, here we had 14 black, 9 were short. So we have 9 shorts black. And then when we look at the second set, 10 pairs of white socks, 4 are short. 4 shorts white. So now it's, again, kind of like we had 7 red large, 5 yellow large marbles. Now we've got to find out how many of these are white. We have 4 white. Out of the total, 9 plus 4 is 13. So our probability is 4 over 13, which cannot reduce. So then we're done with number 4.